If you've lost access to your iCloud account and can't receive verification codes, there are still steps you can take to regain access. Follow this guide to navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. Here, you will find options to manage your account and initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Apple ID or Password. Click on the Forgot Apple ID or Password link. This will prompt you to enter your Apple ID, which is usually your email address associated with the account. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. After entering your Apple ID, you will be presented with recovery options. Since you cannot receive verification codes, select the option to answer security questions or request account recovery. Step 4. Answer security questions. If you choose to answer security questions, provide the correct answers to regain access. If you don't remember them, proceed with the account recovery option, which may take a few days. Step 5. Follow account recovery instructions. If you opted for account recovery, you will receive instructions via email once your request is processed. Follow the steps provided in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can work towards recovering your iCloud account even without verification codes. Remember to keep your recovery information updated to avoid similar issues in the future.